Okay, well, put it back together, put it back on the track. Engine 25. Horn works. I think I switched chips and put in a bigger horn. God, that's terrible. Nice bell. And if we get it going in the right direction, we'll have a headlight and some smoke. There we are, back online. Cold solder joint on the ground to the power board. So I heated everything up an extra 10 or 15 degrees, and that seemed to do the trick. It's a good little engine. An old rust bucket, literally an old rust bucket, and by golly, it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Probably keep it forever. Need to put some Merry Christmas in gold or something like that. That might give it a little more spirit, but it's a beauty. Then I have my, whatever I have on my collection of cars for Christmas. Oh God, look at the dust. Oof, don't look at it. And found this homemade star and that and the bells. I thought those were great ideas for cabooses. This caboose had a light, so he put a star over it. I thought it was wonderful. And then I had the matching caboose for this engine painted in the same colors. And so there we are. Not a bad little setup. There's a few lights in the city as well. Okay, more later. Bye.